Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Talks between Taliban and Panjshir resistance break down as Afghans wait formation of new government. Even as the Taliban declared that Afghanistan will get a new government soon, talks between the militant group and the leaders of resistance in Panjshir Valley broke down on Sunday. The country's defense minister in exile, General Bismillah Mohammadi, vowed to defend Panjshir, the only province to have escaped the Taliban blitz that has led to a regime change in Afghanistan. General Bismillah Mohammadi announced that he will continue to protect Panjshir, located a little over 100 kilometers northeast of Kabul. Panjshir Valley will continue to oppose Taliban forces and the war would continue, General Mohammadi said. Over 300 citizens Indian were flown home from Kabul in three separate flights on Sunday. In another flight with more than 150 passengers is expected to land in New Delhi on Monday morning. Taliban spokesperson Zabihullah Mujahid informed that media that a new Afghan government will be announced soon. Ahmed Massoud, the son of the main leaders of Afghanistan's anti-Soviet resistance in the 1980s, said he will not hand over Panjshir Valley to the Taliban. The Taliban said hundreds of fighters are heading to the Panjshir Valley after talks with leaders of the resistance broke down on Sunday. Afghan political leaders urged the Taliban to form an inclusive government to reflect the aspirations of all Afghans, reported TOLO News. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said he would convene a meeting of leaders from the G7 nation on the Tuesday for urgent talks on the situation in Afghanistan. Princes of Burqa, hijab and turban soared in Kabul with the return of the Taliban. Bahrain says its national carrier will fly American citizens to the United States as a part of its effort to evacuate them from Afghanistan a week after the Taliban takeover. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken described the situation in Kabul airport. US Defense Secretary Lord Austin told that the US military is considering creative ways to get Americans and others in the Kabul airport to evacuate them from Afghanistan. Pakistan temporarily suspended flight operations to Afghanistan and is not evacuating anyone at the moment, reported news agency PTI. The state-run Pakistan International Airlines. "392 Indians return home, recall horrors in Taliban-controlled Afghanistan." As Kabul airport is now open for evacuation flights, more Indians are being rescued and evacuated from turmoil-hit Afghanistan. India on Sunday brought back home 392 people, including two Afghan lawmakers in three different flights as part of its mission to evacuate Indians and Afghan partners from Kabul. A total of 168 individuals, including 107 Indians and 23 Afghans, Sikhs and Hindus, were airlifted from Kabul to Hindon Airport, near Delhi on a C-17 military transport plane. Another batch of 87 Indians and two Nepali citizens were repatriated on a special Air India flight from Dushanbe a day after being evacuated to Tajikistan's capital on board on IAF-130 transport aircraft. Meanwhile, 146 Indian citizens who were evacuated from Afghanistan to Doha will be repatriated to India on Sunday night. Yogendra Singh, a resident of Uttarakhand who served as an embassy, spoke to India today about his harrowing journey to Kabul Hamid Karzai International Airport, recounting his experience of returning to India amid confusion and mayhem. Meanwhile, for the next few days, almost all nations, including India, will continue their evacuations and massive airlift operation to secure and save the evacuation of their citizens operating in Afghanistan's various regions. How tussle with Atal Bihari Vajpayee cost Kalyan Singh dearly. Kalyan Singh was the tallest OBC leader in the Uttar Pradesh Bharatiya Janata Party. He became a Hindutva mascot during the Ram Temple movement. He was seen a perfect blending of Mandal and Kamandal and became Hindu Hriday Samrat for the party cadre. Kalyan Singh was one of the three top second-ranked Bharatiya Janata Party leaders who were at the receiving end of the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee era at different points. In the time, the two others were K.N. Govindadacharya, former General Secretary of the BJP and present Prime Minister of Narendra Modi, who was then Chief Minister of Gujarat. All three were considered close to L.K. Advani. Due to the protection of Advani, the action could not be taken against Narendra Modi, but the other two were not so fortunate. In September 1997, Mayawati refused to pass the baton of the state chief ministership to Kalyan Singh under the 6-month rotational power sharing agreement. He was UP CM when the 1999 Lok Sabha election happened. During the election, he allegedly said Vajpayee needed to become an MP first before he could become PM. Kalyan said the Vajpayee had made a prestige issue to remove him, and as long as Vajpayee is Prime Minister, he would not like to see me as a Chief Minister or in any other position. Kalyan Singh formed his own party, the Rashtriya Kranti Party, which remained the French player. He returned to BJP ahead of the 2004 Lok Sabha elections but left the party again prior to the 2009 Lok Sabha polls. Singh once again returned to the BJP ahead of the 2014 general elections. His son Rajbir Singh became an MP and Kalyan Singh was appointed the governor of Rajasthan. However, Kalyan Singh could never attain the moniker of Hindu Hriday Samrat in the eyes of the BJP's cadre ever again.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.